Good morning, everybody. Today is October 29th, which is a Tuesday. I'll be streaming probably for, as long as I can. If I do hit my target for the day, whether it's in a loss or in wins, I'll probably end the stream early. But typically, I'm gonna stream until probably noon. So I hope everybody's having a good morning and had a good night. And so fighting the cold, but it's getting better. Looks like some news just came out. The market is moving really aggressively here. Let's see. Some news must have come out because I'm looking at my order monitors and even this here. Market is moving really fast. Yeah, consumer confidence came out. And also we have the job openings. It looks like it came out lower than expected. Just move this over here. So those two numbers coming out here. Confidence. So let's see what's that's gonna do here. So it's pending. Refresh this. And the consumer confidence is still saying pending. So that's one of the reasons I don't trade too early. Day like today, we definitely want to wait maybe for the next 30 minutes until 10:30 before take a position. Okay, consumer confidence came out pretty nice. So that should be bullish for the market. So we're just gonna let the market digest the news for the next 10-15 minutes. Probably 10-15 we might be looking at taking a position, or if everything really set up nicely, we'll do that. But at the moment, based on the news, based on the way the market opened up, looks like we should get some bullish movement today. Market going higher, so let's wait and see. Market is at resistance right now. Definitely, I wouldn't want to be buying here, but let's see if we can get a pullback. We can get a pullback to this band here. Blue bar here to the upside. We might go long. I think we already have a couple bars here on the Unirenko. There you go. So long end stop below the swing. Looks like we might be taking out here. Maybe not. Give it a little more room here. I guess we need it. Definitely our entry wasn't ideal, but this is when we trade the NQ. You have a high probability trade going the way you think it might be going. You want to give it more room than usual because that's what they do. They come back and probe, and fully here we'll definitely do a higher high here. And if we can break this green line or even get to this band here, then we may be thinking about moving to break even. Again, we're gonna see a lot of fight out here. Again, my entry definitely wasn't ideal. Took the entry thinking that we were gonna see a breakout right away, but we didn't see that. We didn't see the move up right away. So right now, let's see what happened here. We're to get a new high here at 48.50. Market's a lot of back and forth here, but I think the bulls might still be able to push this up. So let's see what happened here. Okay, here's the push up that I was looking for here. Definitely want to move my stop tighter, much tighter here. Gonna reduce my risk by half, basically. And no high here, probably move to break even, or close to break even at least. Yeah, we're gonna definitely move. Give it only 5 points at this point here. Give it 5 points. So you gotta be patient in trading. I mean, again, there was a high probability the market was gonna push up, but all this mess here, I might not go through it, but at the same time, it is what it is. At this point, we're gonna give it. Yeah, we'll probably give it one tick. If it comes back and tackles our break even here, that's fine. Right now, it's basically a break even trade. If it comes back and tackles out, we're targeting 50 points on the Nasdaq here, going to the next resistance. I mean, it has to get to this liquidity area here with this resistance, but we're just following our plans. All this mess here, we worried if we didn't go and take out this band. Again, if you guys remember, I said I was gonna try to go along at this band, but think it wasn't gonna come back there, but it did. So now it's moving higher. It's moving higher. Hopefully we'll hit a 50-point target for the day. There you go, 30, 40. Sometimes if the market's gonna give you more, you may wanna take it. So I'm gonna give it a little bit more room to move here. But once you get to my target, I'm gonna move my stop real tight to it. I'm gonna move my stop real tight here. Yeah, I'm gonna move my stop real tight. If it breaks it up here, my stop will be real tight here. Just drop it here officially here. Make it official. If it breaks this, yeah, there you go. There you go. So essentially, I'm capturing the same amount that I would have captured with my target, but now everything here is gravy because my stop was at 86. I mean, my target was at 86. So anything I'm capturing right now, I only captured 2 more points than I would have captured anyway. So if we get a push up here and go past the round number here, we'll be all good. Again, it'll be more than I would have captured. If the market's gonna give you more, you take it. But I already captured my 50 points. I'm up 52 points right now. So let's see if we can get a little more juice here. Gonna squeeze it a little more. Let's see. Again, remember my target would have got hit at 86. I'm at 88. My stuff is at 88 now. If it comes back and tag me out here, that's fine because everything here is gravy for me. Let's see what happened. Okay, got tagged out. Yeah, he just hit this. Plus 52 on the NQ. And he hit this and then sold off. Okay, it looks like I took my profit in the right area because that's a really deep pullback here. Okay, here's my quota as far as money for the day. I'm probably gonna just wait and see if there's something else. I may take another trade, but I think I might be done. This might be a one and done session like Friday. If we come back down here on this blue line at 560, we may see lower prices, but if we make a new high, we're going higher for the day, especially with consumer confidence being positive. I think we get to some higher prices here. And the green line is resistance. The institutions are still kind of bearish, but that doesn't mean the market cannot go higher. I'm gonna draw a trend line right here. If we break up this trend line here, break, hook, and go, we may see something like this here with then I guess this push up could have been the consumer confidence, get some people along here, but again, yesterday we had a bearish market yesterday. Today could be continuation or could be a reversal. Let's find out. Time will tell. I definitely got a nice little chunk here going to the upside. Everything was kind of pointing bullish here, but again, if you had your stop too tight here, you get taken out, and it goes your way. If you were bullish in that, then that's at that moment. Like they say, bulls make money, bears make money. Hogs get slaughtered. You definitely need to know when to get out. Because I got in at 536, it came back. Let's say I had my stop at break even and waiting to hit my ultimate target, which was at maybe 10 points, a few points above the round number. I would have to get taken out break even, but instead I banked 52 points. Again, this here, I'll definitely be careful and see if we're not gonna go down here. We're getting extended here to the upside. We might see some more selling here. We'll see. Oh, right now it's definitely ranging in the ES. Yeah, it looks like the sellers are getting back in control here. I guess that was just a little retracement higher. Or maybe not. Did we test this area again? That's an decision. You definitely won't be taking the position here either way, but just observing. I think they might run over the bears here. No? Well, the bears are holding on here. We have a saying in trading, it's better to be out of a trade and wish you were in than be in and wish you were out. Right now, again, basically hit my quota as far as points for the day. Usually I shoot for about 50 points on the Nasdaq. I did that earlier. So we'll watch and see here and see how things develop. And though they broke that trend line, came back and tested on the other side, the support zone right here, which was resistance, not support. See some higher movement here possible. It's a really very tight zone here. The fight between buyers and sellers are intensifying right now. Yeah, sellers are pushing it down. Definitely in the zone that there's a lot of indecision here, so you would never want to take a position at the moment because it's really not clear which way it wants to go. Now, based on how the market opened up, if we go back to this market, obviously they sold it off at the open, but then they reversed it right around 934, 935, and since then it's been higher. So for the session right now, technically you would look for a buy. I did back here. I went along here. Again, wasn't ideal and it wasn't the best entry. In hindsight, of course, because when I went here, I got a couple, that double pullback I usually talk about. Got this move here. That's one pullback. The second pullback, and I went along here. I did all this before my stop was below here. Did all this mess here. Came back down and finally went. My target was up here, but my original target was below the green line at 86. Then I gave it a little more room for the profit target. I moved my stop to 88, which is capturing 2 more points than I would have captured anyway if my target got hit, because I was shooting for 50 points. So let's see what this market does now. It looks like it wants to go higher at the moment. Lots of back and forth. Okay, just hit that previous high. It definitely looks like the bulls went on. The bulls are winning here. It's about to be 11 o'clock. I think I'm gonna end the stream. Thank you for watching. Again, today was a one and done. Bought here, had my stop below this band, trailed my stop and got taken out for 52 points on the NQ. That's the gist of the day. That trade lasted about 20 minutes, 21 minutes. So I wanted to just observe and watch what the market is doing here. But it looks like we're heading to that resistance area. I think we may see another, based on the ATR for the last 5 days, we're heading probably another 75 points on the NQ. This thing broke the previous high by a few ticks. This could be a stop run also to bring it lower. But either way, I think in the NQ today we're gonna see a new high or a new low because it hasn't moved. I mean, we got about 300 points, 200 ticks left of movement, which is about 75 points. So we may be ranging all day. So either way, good luck and God bless. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.